Hello, I am Piyush Kothari and this is my media technology assignment 2, which is a sound annotator. Let's go to MATLAB to see the code. This is the .m file which has all the codes, and this is the .fig file. So just to see the GUI, we can go to guide. When we open it, we can see the GUI. So as we can see, there is the title. There are two track controls. There's graph. There's track speed timer. Okay, now let's play the sound annotator. For that, we can just type edit here. So the editor opens. Now we can run this. Now once we run it, the sound annotator opens. So for now, let's select a file. For now, let's just select a knock file. So when we select, it comes on the graph, and when we play it, it plays. It has a loop feature. So when we play it on loop, it plays on loop. When we play, we can pause. It pauses at the exact second, but when it plays and when we stop, it stops and goes back to 0. We can manage the speed also. Then we can reset the speed to 0 also. So for now, let's select the match sound comes here. When we play it, okay. Now let's add a commentary sound in the track 2, then it will show here, and we can play. And we can decide at which point we want to merge using this. So after we click on merge, both the tracks are added to track 1, and now when we play it, both the audio and the commentary are mixed. So now to save this merged file, we can click on save, and it prompts on which folder we have to save. So we can select this folder, then we give it a file name. Let's say mixed audio. So when we click on OK, the file is saved, and we can see mixed audio come here. So we can go to that folder, and then we can see the mixed audio here. As we can see, the audio is merged and the commentary is with the sound. Now let's go through the code. It has certain variables like to play the sound file, to play the track, and multiple other functions. And in the report, it is in detail showed of all the features with the screenshots. And this is my media technology assignment 2, which is sound annotator. Thank you.